Dive into the heart of Italy, where the iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa stands. A masterpiece of medieval architecture, this freestanding bell tower began its skyward journey in the 12th century. 8 stories of finely carved white marble, it's a sight that leaves you breathless. But why does it lean? Soft ground on one side caused the foundation to sink, setting the tower on its famous tilt. Over the centuries, various attempts to straighten it only added to its lean, creating a marvel that defies gravity. Myths abound. Some say Galileo dropped 2 spheres from its top to study gravity. Whether it's true or not, it's a tale that adds to the tower's allure. Today, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is more than just a spectacle. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and resilience. A must-visit destination that leaves a lasting impression, reminding us that sometimes imperfections make for the most beautiful sights. So, next time you're planning a trip, remember the Leaning Tower of Pisa, a testament to time, history, and the beauty of leaning into the unexpected.